Hello everyone and welcome to my little corner of the internet. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make DIY little binder inserts. And the first thing you want to do is take a really thick drawing paper. If it's not thick enough, you'll have trouble inserting it into your binder. Then just trace out the shapes with pencil and cut them up. So once you have the adequate amount of these things cut up, I have both smaller ones and bigger ones, you start to trace the outline with pencil. I started with kind of making a border around it. Also I skipped the pencil because you can't really see it that well. But you start with the large ones and you make a border around it. Then you measure in the middle. I put one at 7.5 and 8.5 centimeters. And you just pull little lines where you can write down your name and the subject that you put in the binder. Then I started with these really cute minimalist little plant thingies. You just draw a squiggly line, then put 1 or 2 berries on them, and then make these squiggly leaves. You just go over it a few times and it creates this really cute leaf. You'll see it better in the close-up, but yeah. So the leaves are very easy to draw. Even if you're not really that much of an artist, you can still do this. In the thumbnail you can probably see it a bit better, but it's just me going over that shape a few times, not too correctly, so the leaf looks like it has some veins. Next thing you want to do is draw a little rectangle around the leaf. So again, I did this in pencil first so that I didn't mess up. And you want to make sure that the line kind of goes over the top of the leaves and the bottom of the stem. And what that does is you just leave a little gap and it looks a bit cleaner. Anyways, so this is the finished result. You just gotta erase the pencil lines first. Forgot that in this clip, but yeah. For the smaller ones, you then want to make sure that you kind of done to the border. You'll see it here in a second. So the thinner ones, they don't have a border. And I put the rectangle way closer to the edge and I pulled the lines all the way through. That way you have a bit more writing space, because otherwise it's gonna be a bit cramped. And you'll also have to write a bit smaller, but that's normal because they are much thinner. And yeah, so here's the finished result on the binders. And I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you all later. Bye!